The ICEPURE Nugget Ice Maker Portable stands out by combining countertop convenience with a dedicated application and Wi-Fi control, so you can start or schedule ice production without being near the machine. In everyday use, it is very straightforward with a single main control, a removable ice basket, and a pull-out water tank that make filling, cleaning, and grabbing ice feel effortless. For anyone who entertains often, its ability to deliver chewable nugget ice within roughly 5 to 10 minutes and sustain up to 33 pounds of output over a full day means drinks stay properly chilled without constant ice runs. Despite that strong performance, the unit draws relatively modest power and runs quietly enough that it does not dominate the background in a kitchen, office, or recreational vehicle. A built-in self-cleaning cycle and easily detachable parts help keep mineral buildup under control, so the ice tastes clean and the machine remains reliable with minimal maintenance. The stainless steel exterior feels solid and looks modern, and although it has some heft, it is still manageable to move between rooms or bring along in a recreational vehicle, making it a practical option for both home and travel use.